Salute, welcome everybody. 27th of February, the last New York session of February. So let's get into it. I have the short position from yesterday on BTC. Still going. I think most probably we are going to hit TP. BTC for the New York session, I have no bias. I would be long in BTC if would some kind of signal appearing. Yeah, but otherwise nothing much. Let's go on NQ. NQ bias for the day is still short positions. We in about 30 seconds we have our first candle formed. And yeah, I'm also looking at gold. Gold could set up a good trade, but because today is Friday, most likely I'm not gonna trade gold, because that would be a swing system, and I don't think we will get much of a movement today because it's Friday. So yeah. So we have our first candle range formed, and we are gonna wait the outcome. So a quick update regarding the NQ short bias. I kinda looking to take a long here if we manage to make a market structure break around this level. That is of course an other system, not the opening range system. So this could be playing out also today, because it doesn't have to go a lot higher to reach our TP target. So I'd be very interested to look into this. I'm looking for a long. Fuck it. Fuck it. Something like this. Right. Let me just set also the SL to it. So kind of mid, actually. Okay, we are in. Let me just set also an SL to it. I feel some kind of fear actually from this trade. Somehow we are moving in our direction. That's good. So our SL set, all right, and we don't need this anymore. And let's set our TP. Our TP should be there. Should be our setting our TP also. All right, we have our TP also set, and initial reaction is very good. All right, let's check on also on BTC. I think this would be continuing further, but yeah, NQ looking fine for now. I think it should be hitting this level today. I feel somehow a kind of fear. I don't know why, but yeah. So ready, set. All right, this looking kind of nice for now. So actually I will explain my thought process why I'm taking this long. So this is a different system than the opening range system. So the opening range system bias was shorting, but in this scenario, this is a reversal system. We have a liquidity structure, we gone below the liquidity structure, then we reclaim the liquidity structure by a market structure break. So this is very important to have a market structure break, and also is very important the price to go below the liquidity level. So after this market structure break and reclaiming this level, this indicating me that we are most likely going to see a reversal. So that is the other system, but yeah, this looking kind of nice. So yeah, PTC pretty flat, done nothing. So yeah, all right.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So trade update. I actually forgot to close the NQ trade. I actually fucked up. I was waiting to close before market closing, but I missed the market close hour. I was waiting till 11 p.m. and yeah, market closed around 9:45. So anyways, if the market opens and gaps down, I'm taking my loss. Break even rule doesn't matter. So yeah, I would like actually to close this trade because in this scenario it's not looking pretty good for the market open. But anyways, this was my mistake, and yeah, I'm most likely going to pay for it. Anyways, okay, BTC was just a couple ticks away to hit take profit. I'm not gonna close this trade as for now. I'm thinking to early close this trade if we are closing above this level on the 1 hour. So yeah, that was the last trading day of February. Thank you for watching.